Hello guys, this is Mrs. Thetic. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, winter are here. So is the hair fall. Winter make our scalp dry, and in addition to this, woolen clothes we wear like caps and this other thing also make it more dry. So today I have come across this fabulous oil which named as anveshan, and this is just completely amazing. I use it on my hairs, my body, and even a bit on my face, so I highly recommend this product. This has a lot of qualities, like you can use it for your cooking purpose also, and it comes with the measure where you can measure that how much we have to use, and some nutritional facts also. So carbohydrates, cholesterol, sodium, you can check everything from this, and you can measure your bottle throughout this. So guys, yeah, use this product, and this product will be available on Amazon and on smytten as well, so you guys can check that out, and I'll put link in the video so you can get these oil from here. So till now I have used one bottle and I loved it so much, and I guess I have used the complete bottle and it is about to get empty, and I'm looking forward to buy a new one. So for more such videos, like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, love you.